Temperatures this morning and conditions today, quiet. It's a little bit chilly out there, though, to begin your day, so you may need that jacket as you do start your Tuesday. Temperatures ranging from the upper 30s into the low 40s, upper 30s, low 40s, yes. Temperatures compared to where at yesterday, 15 to 20 degrees colder than this time yesterday. We'll climb into the upper 50s, near 60 degrees this afternoon. That northeasterly breeze is going to keep us cooler, though, so a little bit below average in most locations. Viper radar right now, that is dry, smooth sailing out there today. High pressure to our north, not our south, and that's important because clockwise flow around the high means a northeasterly breeze today, going to keep us a little bit below average. But that changes. A warm front's going to pass through late tonight and into tomorrow, and that's going to lead to a surge of warmth and moisture, which will fuel our storm threats later this week. And again, threats is important because this is a multiple day event expected to move on in. Starting Wednesday evening through Thursday, that's where we begin our weather impact day. And we may add days to this, but right now it's Wednesday, especially Wednesday evening through Thursday for central and eastern Kentucky. Higher risk for stronger storms, though, for central Kentucky with this system. All forms of severe weather are on the table, but our main concerns will be damaging wind gusts and a spin-up tornado threat. Widespread flooding expected with this event, with moderate to major river flooding possible, and a flash flooding risk that begins on Thursday, continues into Friday and Saturday as well. So flood watch is in effect through Sunday for all of most of our area, excluding southeastern Kentucky. This is a look at the setup. So Wednesday, we're going to have this front is a cold front. It's going to drop south and then stall out right over top of the area. And that's going to lead to waves of moisture as it's being funneled by a dip in the jet stream to the west, ridge off the east coast. And that just funnels all of this moisture nowhere to go but down as it falls as rain here across the region. That's where we are expecting the heaviest of the rain. This rainfall forecast is extreme, folks. That area there to our west, which it looks like this is just updated, that purple, 6 to 8 inches worth of rain, and that's north and west of Lexington. 10 to 12 inches, maybe more, stretching from almost Louisville south and westward into Arkansas. That is extreme rainfall for sure. And that 4 to 6 stretches all the way up into central Ohio. So this is going to be a high-end event, especially when you consider the rainfall impacts. We're going to start with a severe weather threat, though, and that's Wednesday into Thursday morning. Level 3 risk from Lexington north and westward. Damaging wind gusts, the primary driving factor behind the level 3 risk, but some spin-up tornadoes will be possible, with a potential north and west of Lexington of seeing a stronger tornado threat as well, EF2 or stronger, and an isolated hail threat. Then for Thursday into Thursday night, level 2 risk out for all of the area as it switches to more of a threat in terms of damaging wind gusts. So looking at your future cast, this is today, quiet conditions, northeasterly breeze. Warm front passes through tonight. That'll lead to that surge of warmth and gusty winds on Wednesday. We could get some isolated activity in the afternoon, but this is the main threat here. Supercells likely forming into a line of storms late Wednesday night. That'll push through and bring us multiple waves again of that heavy rain. Stalled out frontal boundaries with us on Thursday, continuing that heavy rain chance. Maybe a little bit of a break early on Friday, but I still think we get waves of rain and storms to push on through. So looking at your full 7-day forecast, tomorrow's going to be very warm, low 80s, but that's going to lead to that storm threat on the way Wednesday night into Thursday. Weather impact days out for both of those days. Could add a couple on a Friday and Saturday as well.